This is our Peds Skills video. We're going to start out by weighing the baby. If the baby's 0 to 3 months, you want to do a naked baby weigh. If they're over 3, make sure they have a dry diaper on. Make sure you support their head properly. Make sure that they are completely on the scale. And then read the scale. Oh, look, 5 pounds, 4.5 ounces. Next, we're going to bring them over to the exam table. We're going to lay the baby down. Make sure you support the head. Now they're going to move around and be fidgety. So what you're going to want to do is have the caretaker come around to the other side of the exam table, place their hand on them or make sure that they're steady. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your pen, you're going to mark, try and straighten their head out as much as possible. And you're going to mark at the very top of it on the paper on the exam table. You're going to come down here. You're going to straighten their leg out. You're going to mark at the very bottom of the baby. And then you're going to go ahead and have the caretaker pick up the baby. Then once the baby is out of the way, you're going to take your measuring tape and you're going to take the first mark. You're going to stretch it out, make sure it's nice and taut, and then you're going to come down to the other one and you're going to be 17 inches. Exactly. Yay. Next, we're going to measure the circumference of the baby's head. You want to go above the eyebrows. You want to make sure that it's at the thickest part of the back of the head. The tape measure will want to slide down a little bit or up. You want to try and make sure before you check. And then you measure the overlap, and that is 15.5 inches. Make sure to never turn your back or leave the baby alone. It's always a good thing to have the caretaker stand close and hold the baby. That way they have responsibility of the child. That way if you want to turn and write everything down, you can. Next, we're going to do the circumference of the baby's chest. Next, the circumference of the chest, you're going to take the measuring tape and put it around behind them. You want to be about the nipple line of the child. And then you're going to measure the overlap, 14.25 inches. And then when I go to write this all down, make sure the caretaker, the parent, or whoever is there with the baby is going to place their hand on the baby. The baby will stay more calm because they have somebody familiar with them. And then we will learn how to do the next part. The plotting growth will be in the next video.